What's going on, guys? Alec here. Hope you're having an amazing day. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe, comment below, and hit the thumbs up button. Today I'm going to talk about Q4 selling on Amazon and how you guys can prepare so you guys can make more sales and more money. So I'm going to explain to you guys real quick what Q4 is if you're not familiar with Amazon or Q4 in general. So what Q4 is it just means the fourth quarter, and that just encompasses October, November, December, or just primarily November and December, and it's basically just a condensed time period of the holiday where all the holiday sales come in, and it's an absolute rush of sales. And especially on Amazon, if you guys are selling on Amazon, that's when all the sales happen, and it's the major time period when you want to be prepped for, because extreme high volume of people searching for your products are going to be on Amazon. So all the customers are going to be on there searching, and because we all know that Amazon has the best customer service and the best fulfillment, people will really search for your products up until, I would say, the 23rd or 24th of December. I even could say myself, I even ordered something on Amazon December 24th, which was Christmas Eve, and last minute Christmas gift, and I even got it the same day shipping. So I got it the same night by 8 o'clock. So I mean, people are really going to be still ordering from really the sales influx starts November 1st. So I would say the last week of October, but really November 1st, a solid 8 weeks of intense sales that you guys want to be prepped for. So how can you guys prep if you're brand new to Amazon and you're just getting your products in? What I suggest is, if you still want to make this wave and hit the Q4 selling season, I suggest that you have everything in line and in place as far as your listing. So you want to be visible and showing up and ranked for all your main keywords. You want to have everything in place, reviews. You want to look established and look like a qualified listing. So as long as you have all those things in place, you guys will be successful and have a shot at the influx and the immense amount of sales that will take place very shortly. So right now it's close to the end of September, so very shortly, so within about 30 days, these sales will start to pick up, and it will be start to begin the Q4 selling season. So how can you guys get prepared? That's what you guys want to do. And if your inventory is on its way in, give yourself 2 or 3 weeks before that, because Amazon tends to get backed up around this time of year. So really make sure that you have all your inventory in a little before usual, because you want to make sure and be sure for certain that all your inventory is in, stocked in, and accounted for before these key selling dates. I mean, Black Friday is huge, guys. Cyber Monday is huge. That whole weekend is insane. I've been selling on Amazon for a few years, and I know for sure and for a fact that those weeks are absolutely incredible. So those few days and that month are crazy and insane for sales. I've 10x my sales on those days, and it's absolutely insane. So you guys want to be prepared. So as far as like inventory and units, how much should you order for these dates and everything? You really want to anticipate and expect, if you're whatever you're selling now, you want to anticipate a 2 or 3 times the amount of sales. So if you are right now ordering 1,000 units per month, you want to at least order 2 or 3,000 to anticipate and have enough inventory for these selling weeks and the selling season, because the last thing you want to do is be stocked out and be missing out on sales, because this is extremely high volume and you want to be in the game and in the running for these next few weeks, and you not want to be out of stock, especially through November, through Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and then Christmas throughout the last few weeks leading up to Christmas. You want to be in there, and you want to make sure you don't run out of inventory. Place your order right now with your suppliers. If you already haven't, you want to make sure that your inventory is in pretty shortly, over the next 3 to 4 weeks, I would say, to really get in by November 1st, because those 8 weeks are where Q4 really sparks up and takes off. So have your inventory in. Make sure you give yourself a little bit of a buffer. Make sure your listing looks great. And if you're brand new and you just have a new listing and everything, and your inventory is just getting in, you're worried because you want to get on and you want to get selling, don't worry, guys. So if you miss Q4, guys, don't worry. Selling on Amazon, the sales are still going to be there even after January. So, I mean, they're not going to be as, the high influx isn't going to be there, but even into January, the sales are still there. And it always seems to me that the volume still tapers off into January, back to where it is for the rest of the year. But January is still a good month on Amazon, I find. So don't worry if you guys miss Q4, if you don't have your inventory in. But what I do suggest, if your inventory is coming in, here's just some real actionable advice that I want to help you guys with. make sure your listing is great, looks good, amazing pictures. You have your reviews on there, your 5, 10 reviews, and make sure you launched and you're where you need to be for all your main keywords. You're looking good, everything looks great, and you have some sales history behind you, and everything is in place, because once November 1st, November 15th, Black Friday, Cyber Monday roll around, you guys are going to be positioned where you want to be for the highest amount of exposure for where you are. Also, another thing is PPC, guys. Make sure you're optimized for your campaigns for your PPC, because you're going to want to actually spend double what you're spending now. So if you're spending $30, you're going to want to spend 50, 60, 70, 100, maybe even like $150 for PPC, because you're going to want to last that entire day, all those key days, to have your product shown and visible for the maximum exposure. So that's just another quick tip for you guys. So, and lastly, the last thing I want to talk about real quick is lightning deals. So guys, if you're not familiar with lightning deals, they are facilitated by Amazon, and they just run a promotion for your items. You pay $200-$300 for this, and when you do this, they'll put you on the deals page for these key days, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and the Saturday as well, and you will get an influx of traffic. You could sell hundreds of units on these days through these deals, so it's extremely helpful. So you guys want to just make sure, if you set that deal up, I think the cutoff deadline is September 21st, so it's really close. Today's the 18th, so you have a few more days. If you're catching this video, set that deal up as soon as possible before the cutoff date. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to set that up, because Amazon just cuts it off, and they want to have all their deals set up and in queue, ready to go. So make sure if you are planning on doing a lightning deal, make sure you have that set up before the 21st, and also make sure you have enough inventory, guys. I can't stress this enough. If whatever you're selling now, double or triple that for your inventory count, and have that in stock, because demand will pick up considerably, and you're going to want to have enough units for whatever you're doing, lightning deals, promotions, and whatever your sales volume will be. So anticipate 2 to 3 times more. Coming from experience from me, and sharing my experiences from what I've learned over the last 5 years selling at Amazon, and anticipating the holiday season. It's an exciting time of year, guys. Just really be prepared for it. Get ready. You're going to see your sales double, triple, quadruple. So just really get ready for it. Be prepared. Make sure everything looks tip-top condition. And I'm excited for you guys, and really take the time. Make sure everything looks all right, and hopefully these tips helped you guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm putting out tons of videos like this. So really, just make sure you're up to date with all the stuff. Subscribe to the channel. If you're interested in an A to Z course selling on Amazon, I will have a course in the description fairly soon. So be sure to check that out, and that includes my mentorship. So if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.